Abhishek. Welcome to Abhishek Study. Today I taking through chess for beginners. To play chess we need board, pieces and two players. One with white and opponent with black. Two arrangement, vertical and horizontal. 1 to 8 is called rank. A to H is called file. Now arrange. There are two roots. One is placed A1. Then another root is placed H1. There are two knights. One is placed in a B. Another knight G. G1, B2, B1. Two bishop F1, C1. This is placed always white D1. King E1. There are 8 pawns. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same arrangement in black pieces. If you like the channel, please subscribe, share and click the bell button. Bye. Have a nice day.